Dozens dead, hundreds infected in the DRC. This strain of Ebola has no cure. Earlier this week, drug makers received $60 million to try and find a vaccine.
They demonstrated in COVID that they could get to clinical trials in around 2 months. We're
possible.
Yeah, we're saying it's possible. We're not making any promises, but we think the platforms have the capability to get to clinical trials probably quicker than the VSV construct will.
Either way, it relies on developing individual vaccines for specific strains of a virus. But what Cambridge University researchers are trialling is a vaccine that targets the family that the virus comes from. Instead of the old way, chasing different strains of one virus, scientists fed AI genetic data from an entire coronavirus family. AI looked for the parts that many of those viruses have in common. Those shared features were engineered into a single super antigen, which during the trial was delivered inside a DNA vaccine without a needle in a microfluid jet. The aim is to teach the body to recognise shared targets across related viruses.
This is a vaccine that is intended and designed to protect against all those variant viruses from SARS coronavirus 2 to its relatives such as SARS-CoV-1 and all those bat viruses in between.
In the first human trial, researchers say the vaccine was safe, with no significant side effects, and that it triggered the right immune response. They're also using the same technique on the family of viruses that Ebola comes from. But before people here can rely on that approach, a larger trial is needed to test how strong and how broad that protection really is. Paul Hawkins, TRT World.